Alright, this is the first hive today. Alright, I just want to pop this whole box off right here. I pulled the queen excluder off of this one a few days ago. I'm not going to set this down all the way inside. I'm going to kind of leave it catty corner like that so it doesn't get stuck as easy. All these bees are coming home. I need to tighten this. They're not sounding as gentle as I would like them to. Alright, so I'm going to pull this off here. I went ahead and opened up 2 of these packages. Make sure my veil is zipped up. It's obviously a frame that's stuck under here. Dadgummit. Yep. Alright. I should have brought some towels out here. These guys, it's late in the evening. They're not happy. Blow some of the stuff around me. I'm going to take a frame out. Let's see how it looks. I mean, it's just foundation. I need to. Went home, took a nap after work. I was so tired. I thought I'll just come do this another day.